Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Hi, everyone. So, all of you are joined. Again, we have 3 more minutes. Let us wait for 3 minutes, then we will start. Okay. So, let us wait for 3 more minutes. Okay. Hi, everyone. Hi. So yesterday I had homework. So some of you have shown it to me and some of you are not. So those who are not shown now, if you send us, I will not see that because I have told you before only you have to give not when the class will start. So right, I have written your name and everything. Those who are given, I have already given written your name. Those are not given, not those are not shown. Then I have written their name also. So don't worry, we will check afterwards. So hi everyone. So let us start. But 1 minute we will wait because it is exactly at 6:30. We will start. Okay. It exactly at 6:30 we are going to start. Okay. So now some of you are sending that answers means your homework. So at the last minute I can't take means I can't check that whether it is correct or wrong. So you have to send before only. Otherwise it will not be possible for me to check exactly. Okay. Hi everyone, hi. So Shekhar Naik is here. So very good. Today you have changed your name. So if it is like this way, no, I can find your name very easily. Otherwise it will be difficult for me. Or you can create your own ID so that I can have that see that ID directly. Okay. So you can create your name ID you can create so that I can directly say that your name. Hi. So tomorrow if it's possible, make that name as your name. Okay. So what you have written in the names here, no. So you have to make it as your own ID. If it is possible, good. Otherwise, let it be. So row busy. Okay. It is exactly 6:30. So I will ask you now. Good evening, everyone. So tell your name or your hi anything. Okay. So Brish Naik is here. Shrisha Bhatt is here. Then means now you have to send means I have to see now. Sannidhi is here, Sudish is here, Akash Shet, Sanjana Shetty, Saurabh, Nidhi, Chinmayi, Sanjit, Krishna, Surya, Siona, Tania, Sanjit again, Sneha, Chintan, Nayana, Harish, Ransita, Nisha. Okay. So these are the students who have joined already. So others I don't know where are they. So I'm noting down. Okay, Veda is here. So all of you make my video live first of all. Okay, make the video live. Surya again and again. all of you make my video live so that it will be live class. So today we are going to learn the lots of things. So yesterday I have told how to find the p of x, how to find the x value, when 0 of the polynomial, how to find everything I have told. So today we will do as exercise questions. So we have to go through the exercise question today, and let us see. Sanjana see here. So I think all of you might have joined. So let me start now. Yes, it is already time. So it is 6:30 already. So I will start. H.J. Fernandez. Okay. Raghuveer Prabhu. Raghuveer Prabhu is here. So who is that Raghuveer Prabhu? Yes. Who is that Raghuveer Prabhu? From your class only? Or anyone outside? Then also it is okay. Your teaching is very good. Thank you, Raghuveer Prabhu. So you are from Raghuveer Prabhu? Hi, Sanjay. Yashasvi is here. Okay, let us start today's topic. So starting with the intro. Welcome to PSM Perfect Solution for Math. I am your tutor Sumanth. So here again Madan, Moger and Kavana is also joined. Welcome. So let us start today's topic. That is we have stopped the polynomials in the exercise. Now we are in exercise 2.2. So we have to solve that exercise 2.2. Yesterday I have told 0 of the polynomial. So let us continue with the exercise question. So those who have textbook, you can open and keep it ready, but don't answer that directly. So yesterday I had some homework for you, that also we will check now today. And starting with this, the first question here, find the value of the polynomial, that is 5x minus 4x square plus 3. 5x minus 4x square plus 3 at x is equals to 0, at x is equals to minus 1 and x is equals to 2. That we have to find. So those who have done this, good. If you are not done this, just you have to take down the first question number and write down that p of x. P of x is equals to, yes, 5x minus 4x square plus 3. You have to write down as like this way. Then what is the next step? X value first we have to put as what? 0. Don't answer before the asking only. Don't answer before I will ask. So I have to do that first one, then you can go for the first one answer, then the second one answer. So first one, x is equals to 0. So in place of x, I have to substitute as what? 0. So p of 0 I have to put, because they have given if x is equals to 0. So I have to write down here one sentence. I will write down if x is equals to 0. So p of 0 is equals to 5 into 0, because in place of x I have to substitute 0, minus 4 into 0 square plus 3. So x value is 0, that is 0 square plus 3. So next is 5 into 0, how much? 5 into 0, how much? What is 5 into 0? 5 into 0? 5 into 0, how much? 5 into 0 is 0. Very good, Surya. Then minus 4 as it is. 0 square is 0 plus 3 as it is. So again 0 minus 4 into 0 is 0 again plus 3. So lastly 0 minus 0 is 0 only. 0 plus 3 is 3 only. So p of 0 value is how much? P of 0 value is how much? 3 is the answer. P of 0 is how much? 3. P of 0 is how much? 3 as your answer. This is the first thing you have learnt. Yes, no? So next one, any doubt if you have, you can ask. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Otherwise, we will continue. So next one, what is the next one? Next one is nothing but if x is equals to minus 1. So we have to take that p of x again. P of x is equals to second one. The first one is finished. Now the second one. P of x is equals to same thing we have to take. Okay, some of you have done. No, none of you have done. Minus 4x square plus 3. So now if x is equals to how much they have given? Minus 1. So here you will make it wrong, some of you. X value I have to substitute as 1, minus 1. X value I have to substitute as what? Minus 1. The same thing I have to do. 5 I have to write down. x value I would write down as minus 1, then minus 4 I would write down as it is, the x value is minus 1 the whole square, because x the whole square means minus 1 the whole square, plus 3. Okay, so next one, continuation. If you have to do the calculation over here, so 5 into, okay, here we see you don't have any power, here, so minus 1 raised to, we don't have anything, so for that purpose we can calculate one thing. Directly we can multiply this 5 with the minus 1. So minus 1 into 5 is how much? Minus 5, because 5 ones are 5, so minus 5. Next, minus 4 as it is, minus 4 as it is. Okay, minus 4 as it is. Then you have minus 1 the whole square. What is minus 1 the whole square? I have already told, don't answer first only. What is minus 1 the whole square? Minus 1 into minus 1. Minus 1 the whole square is nothing but minus 1 into minus 1. What is minus 1 into minus 1? Yes, plus 1, because minus into minus, plus 1 ones are 1. So here we have inside we have bracket, we have 1. So lastly plus 3. Again we will continue. So here you can see minus 5 we have write down as it is, minus 4 into bracket means into. So 4 ones are 4, that is minus only, because number we have. So here we have inside we have plus, so plus into minus, 4 ones are 4, plus 3 as it is. Now the calculation, the last calculation is very important. So the last calculation, if you will do here, minus 5 minus 4. What is that minus 5 and minus 4? What is that minus 5 and minus 4? Here also some of the student will make it wrong. Here are some of the student, what we will do? You will do it wrong. What is that minus 5 and minus 4? Minus 9, very good, because greatest number having, both of having the minus sign, so minus only. So if both of them are having the same sign, then we have to add them. If any one number is different, one is plus, one is minus, then we have to subtract. But both are negative only, so we have to add that. So it will become what? Minus 9. Okay, next is minus 9. Then we have plus 3. Okay, then we will have to check now. So what is that minus 9 and plus 3? Minus 5 and plus 3. So greatest number is which one here? Minus or plus? The greatest number is minus or plus? Greatest number is minus. So negative value only. So 9 plus, the one is negative, one is positive. See, in this case I have telling that greatest number is minus, but one is positive, one is negative. So we have to subtract the smallest from the greatest. So 9 minus 3 is 6. So minus 6 is the answer. P of minus 1 is minus 6. Understood? Any doubt you have regarding this? Minus 6 is the final answer. So all of you make my video live, so that you can listen exactly, you can answer. So last one is the same question. Again we have to go with what? X is equals to 2. Now we have to go with the x is equals to 2. So same question, we have to go with the x is equals to 2. Okay, so same question, third question now again we will take. So okay, that is p of x is equals to 5x minus 4x square plus 3. If x is equals to 2, we will find the p of 2. That is nothing but 5 into 2 minus 4 into 2 square plus 3. See here, first we have to put the bracket, because lots of confusion you will have. This 5 into is one term, and this one is one term, remember, and 3 is separate term. So several members will confuse and you will make it wrong. If it is possible, put that bracket, it will be good. 5 2s are 10, minus we will put the minus, 4 we will write down as it is, 2 square is 4, 2 square is what? 4, and here we have plus 3. So 10 minus 4 is, you don't take the 10 minus 4, because we have the bracket here, very important is. So 10 as it is, so 4 4s are 16, then minus 16 is plus 3 we have. So here you can see this is positive and this is positive. We can add that positive first. Okay, we can have that positive first, then we can minus with the negative. So otherwise 10 minus 16 also we can do, whichever you can do. So first you can do 10 minus 16 also, if it is possible do that. 10 we have and minus 16 we have, the greatest number is 16, so minus. So 16 in that 10 if we will remove, we are going to get the 6, so minus 6, and here we have plus 3. So minus 6 plus 3, in the greatest number is again minus 6, and plus 3 is the smallest number, minus is the greatest number, so minus it is. So 1 is positive, 1 is negative, so 6 minus 3 we have to do, that is 3. So P of 2 is nothing but minus 3. Not plus 3, it is minus 3. Greatest number sign you have to put. So this is the first answer. Any doubt you have? Any doubt? Regarding the first question, you have any doubt? Those who have a doubt, ask. If you don't have a doubt, let us continue. Without wasting the time, we will continue further. You have a doubt? No doubt. Okay. So it is easy, yes? Not a difficult one. So let us continue with the second main. So the second main also, it is consist of some questions. Okay, if your network is slow, don't worry about the network. You can check it afterwards. This videos you can check it afterwards also. Okay, Felicita, you can check it afterwards also. And if you have doubt, you can text me anytime. So now next one is a P of y. Same procedure you have to follow. This is a lengthy process now. It is a lengthy process. Ruben, hi. Just you go through it. Okay, let it be, Felicita. You can check it afterwards, Felicita. You can check it afterwards. If it is possible, just you have to go through it. Otherwise, afterwards you can check the same video. Okay, same video. You can check it afterwards also if it is possible. So take down the first question. First one is P of y. It is that is equals to y square minus y plus 1. So here what is the thing you have to do is you have to find the P of 0, P of 1 and P of 2 for all these 4 questions. Means here you have to find, for the first question you have to apply the P of 0, P of 1 and P of 2. Second question also P of 0, P of 1 and P of 2. Third question also P of 0, P of 1 and P of 2. And last also P of 0, P of 1 and P of 2. All the 4 questions you have to apply this. So which one I have to solve? You only have to decide which one I have to solve. Whether I have to solve the first one, second one, third one or fourth one. Any 2 I will solve. Which one I have to solve? Whether I have to solve the first one. No, don't answer that. You have to answer because other is for your work. Which one I have to solve? Whether I have to solve the first one, second one or third one. You can give any option, 1 and 3. Okay, 1 and 3, first and last. First and 3, first and last. Okay, I have to solve any one, which you want. Okay, which one I have to solve? Second and fourth. Second and third. So all of you are going for the first and second. Okay, all of you are saying one thing. So which one? Okay, the fourth one I will solve and the second one I will solve because it looks like little bit differently and all the others are same. See, this is x cube. It is very easy. Third one is very easy. Don't want. The first one is similar to the before one. The second and fourth is little bit more. We have to do that. Watch. So I will go for the second one and the fourth one, and rest 2 for you only. You have to solve and you have to send it to me. Second and third one I have to solve. How many of you want the third one to solve? How many of you want this third one to solve? Third one, how many of you want to solve that third one? That is the x cube. P of x is equal to x cube. Anyone want to solve the third one? No need for third. Third one is very easy actually. Second and fourth is little bit we have. X cube we have to put the 0 cube, 1 cube and 3 cube, that much. Okay, second and fourth, second one I will take. So P of t 2, actually this is t I think, second one also t, it is 2 plus t plus 2t square plus t cube. Okay, this is t, not 1, it is It is a t, it is, huh? Okay. 2 plus t plus 2t square minus t cube. This is a question. So in this we have to substitute for p of 0. So p of 0 I have to put. What is the p of 0? So in place of t I have to substitute as 0. So 2 as it is, in place of t I have to put the 0. In place of 2 I have to write on 2 on the t, I have to write on 0 the whole square minus 0 the whole cube. So now 2 as it is plus 0 as it is, 2 as it is, 0 square is nothing but 0 only. So minus 0 cube is also how much? 0 only. Okay. So next one, 2 as it is, 2 plus 0 is 2, you can write it down, and here we can to multiply. 2 into 0 is 0 minus 0. So 2 plus 0 is 0, 2 minus 0 is 2 only. So p of 0 is how much? 2. The first one, that is p of 0 we found. Similarly we have to find for p of 1. See here they have told you to find p of 0, p of 1 and p of 2. So p of 1 we will go. Those who have doubt you can ask me. So 2 as it is I have to write, in place of t I have to write down 1. The same formula again you can write down or directly you can write down. Next we have plus 2, t square it is nothing but 1 square minus 1 cube. So in place of t I have to substitute that 1 value now. Hi everyone. Okay, so next one, 2 plus 1 is 3. You can add this because we don't have any minus or anything, so we can, okay, so 2 plus 1 we can add them. So 2 plus 1 is 3. Then we have 2 as it is, we have 1 square, 1 square is 1 and 1 cube is how much? So 1 cube is 1. So now 3 as it is plus 2 ones are 2 minus 1. So 3 plus 1 is how much? 5. 5 minus 1 is, this is 2 plus 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. So p of 1 is how much? 4 as the answer. Very good. Understood? This is the thing. So it is nothing but p of 1 we have to find. In place of t I have to substitute as 1 and we have to do the calculation similar. We have to add. Those who are good in addition, you are not going to have any difficulty. Those who are not having that much of good in calculation, you will find difficulty. But if you will practice it well, it is very easy. If you will practice it well, very easy question. Nothing difficult you have. So next one we have to go for one more, p of 2. Now p that I will write down once again, pt is equals to 2 plus t okay. Next one, that is a t over here, then we have 2t square, then minus t cube we have, okay, t cube we have. So we have to go for what now? P of 2. So now p of 2 we have to put nothing but 2 as it is plus t value you have to put as 2 now. 2 plus 2 into 2 square minus 2 the whole cube. Where we can find the t, there everywhere I have to put as what? 2. So 2 plus 2 I will write down as it is plus 2 we have, this is one bracket you can put. So here we have 2 square is nothing but 4. This also you can put as a bracket. Next minus 2 cube. What is 2 cube? 2 cube is how much? 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. So 2 cube is nothing but 8. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 4s are 8 minus 8. So here you can see one is plus 8, one is minus 8. Both of them will get cancelled. So remaining is 2 plus 2, that is nothing but 4. P of 2 is equals to 4. So you have to practice, then only it is possible to solve. Otherwise you will think that sir it is difficult, why you have given like this question. Nothing. If you are very good in calculation, you will find that very easy to solve this. Otherwise it will be difficult for you. Okay, so next one is nothing but the next question. So next question, the fourth one question I will take. Yes, both of them have the 4 as the answer. That will not bother, because maybe having that 4, because one is when you will substitute as 1 you may get 4, and next one you will substitute on 1 more, you will get the 4. Nothing, don't worry about that. No, don't worry about that. You may get the as a 4 for the one more number also. It is possible. The fourth one, so we will take the p of x, that is equals to x minus 1, and next one is x plus 1. Okay, these two numbers, for this also again we have to substitute as a p of 0 we have to find, again we have to find p of 1, and again we have to find p of 2. Yes, it is very easy. Because why it is easy? Last year you have done this. Last year you have already done this type of questions you have already solved. So it is what now? Very easy for you. Okay, nothing difficult you have. So let us continue. So fourth one, yes, properties you have learned and everything you have learned. So no need for property, no need for property. No need for property, directly we can substitute that. No need for property also. Yes, property is there, you can apply the property, or no need for property also, directly you can solve that. Okay, so directly you can put the p of 0. First you put the p of 0. Okay, 0 minus 1, and here we have 0 plus 1. So 0 minus 1 is minus 1, and into we have, because it between we have into, 0 plus 1 is 1. So minus 1 plus 1 is minus 1 only. So p of 0 is how much? P of 0 is how much? Minus 1. Property you can substitute, or you can do directly also, no problem. So next one is p of 1. We have to find p of 1. So let us solve that p of 1. So when we are doing the p of 1, when you are doing the p of 1, see here p of 1 when you have, so similar thing you have to use. 1 in place of x I have to substitute as 1 minus 1, and next one is 1 plus 1. So 1 minus 1 is how much? 1 minus 1 is how much? 0. And what is 1 plus 1? Very good, Sanjana, Yashaswini and Siona, all of you very good. Veda, Sanju, that's Sanjan, okay. So all of you are very good. Surya, okay, all of you. That is 2 into 2. So 0 into 2 is how much? 0 into 2? 0 into 2. Very important, 0 into 2. How much? That is the p of 1 value, 0. 0 into anything is 0 only. Remember, it is not 2. 0 into anything is 0 only. So p of 1 is nothing but 0. And the last one, p of 2. So x value is 2 minus 1. And one more is x plus 1, that is x plus 1. When you have, again you have to do the same thing. So x value is 2 plus 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1 into 2 plus 1 is 3. So 1 plus 3, 1 into 3 is 3 itself. Understood? Anyone with that? Anyone have a doubt? Anyone have a doubt? No. So this is a very easy part. So I'm telling you, those who have a doubt you can ask. So actually, if you have a doubt, means it is a thing you have to think that, because lots of easy question it is. Okay, let us move further. Yes, continue. Let us continue. It is not a network is proper here, don't worry about that. So let us move to the third question. Third question is very big question. Means question wise it is big, because here 8 questions you have. In this third main you have 8 questions, and now we have to find. So one by one we will solve this. Okay, see here there are 8 questions. So one by one we have to solve. So what about this? Everything we have to see. So the first one, what they have given? Verify whether the following are zeros of the polynomial indicated against them. So here they have given some indication. So indicated numbers are polynomial or what they are asking to you. Okay, you have to find whether it is a indicated things are a polynomial or not a polynomial. That is the easy part you have to do. So means that nothing, you have to substitute. Surya, simply you have to listen here, don't answer to anybody's question. Okay. Okay, listen here, p of x they have given as 3x plus 1. So here you have to substitute that x value as minus 1. If you will put that x value as minus 1, if you will find the final answer as 0, if you will find the final answer is 0, then that is the 0 of the polynomial. Okay, so here verify the following are zeros of the polynomial. What means? Same thing, you have to substitute that x value in the p of x. Okay, so first one. See here, the first one we will take the first question. So I will solve it here. Okay, first one I will solve here. The first question is p of x, that is equals to 3x plus 1. Okay, now what they have told you to substitute? What they have told you to substitute? X value as what they have told you to substitute? That is x value as minus 1 you have to substitute, it seems. So let us substitute that x value as minus 1. So if the answer, final answer is 0 means, then that is the 0 of the polynomial. Otherwise it is not the 0 of the polynomial. So let us see. So 3 as it is, in place of x I have to substitute what? Minus 1. So into minus of 1 by 3 plus 1. So what I have done here? Nothing, that I have written that x value as minus 1 by 3. So here you can take down this bracket also. For your understanding purpose I have done that. So now you can see this 3 and this 3 get cancelled. Remaining is here is 1, here also 1 because cancelled. So 1 into minus 1. So into is there, here we have minus 1. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. Here we have plus 1. What is minus 1 plus 1? Is 0. So we got that p of minus 1 by 3 as 0. So we can say that minus 1 by 3 is the what? 0 of the polynomial p of x, that is equals to 3x plus 1. This is your answer. Means if the final answer is 0, then that is the 0 of the polynomial. If your final answer is not 0, then it is not the 0 of the polynomial. That's all. Understood? Anyone have a doubt? Anyone have a doubt? If when you substitute that given value, see here, your next question we have. No. They have not given. Which one they have given, that you have to check. If they have not given, you can put as anything. But which value they have given, that you have to check. The final answer must be 0. If your final answer is 0, then the given number is what? 0 of the polynomial. Only that much they have told you to find. If you have root value also, that you have to find. Whether it is a 0, then it is a 0 of the polynomial. If you have root value, then it is not. If it is a root value, then it is not. Okay, let us go for the second question. Second question is over here. P of x is equals to 5x minus pi, it seems. Okay, that we will do. Little bit down I will take. Okay, I will write down that question, second one here. The question is P of x is equals to 5x minus pi. So here they have told you to find the x value, you have to put as 4 by 5 it seems, and you have to find where you have root. You don't have any root over here. So if you have root, let it be, we will check. So here you see p of which one you have to do now? P of 4 by 5, because they have told you to put that x value as 4 by 5. Okay, we will find, don't worry, here we have root value, no, that when we are solving that, we will do that. Understood? So let us move now one by one. Okay, that is only homework question is over here only. I will do that. So all of you do the second one. All of you do that second one. Just now I have written that you have to do now quickly. All of you do the second one. Just now I have given yes. That one you try now. All of you. Okay, now 4 by 5 how to substitute, and you found the answer 5 as it is, but the x value how to substitute as what? 4 by 5, because they have given x value how to take as a 4 by 5 it seems, and minus pi, not 5, pi. So 5 and 5 get cancelled. Here we have 4, here we have pi. Now whether we got the final answer is 0, whether we got the final answer is 0. No, we have not found. It is in a form of 4 minus pi. Pi value 22 by 7 you can take, but you will not going to get the final answer, because 22 by 7 is a fraction value. Again, if you do the calculation also, you are not going to get what? The 0 as your answer. So what it is? You are going to get the 0. So here you can write it down. One thing. It is not equals to 0. It is not equals to 0. Don't want to take 22 by 7, because 22 by 7 if you will take the 4 you have, 22 by 7 is 3. So it is not possible. No, if you will calculate also it is not possible. So stop it here only. Yes, you have to stop it here only, because pi value is 22 by 7. If we got here 22 by 7 or 3.14, then might have continued. But here it is a 4, no? So it is don't want to take now. So yeah, lastly I have to write down 4 by 5 is not. You have to write what? 4 by 5 is not. See how writing that? 4 by 5 is not the 0 of the polynomial p of x. P of x, that is equals to 5x minus pi. Okay, so this like this way I have to write it down. Second one I have done here. Not a 0 of the polynomial. Okay, doubt if you have, you can ask. So third question onwards, I will do it downwards, so I will copy it. Okay, third question is here. Third question is here. So let us solve the third question also. So third question we will write it down. Third question over here is p of x is equals to. So here something else. Sorry, here we have written x is equals to. Okay, we have written something thing, that is x value is 2 here. One is minus 1. One more is 1. 2 x values they have given. Not only 1 x value they have given. Here they have given how many x value? 2 x value. Means we have to do it for 2. One is x value is plus 1 it seems, and one more is plus x value is how much? Minus 1 it seems. So 2 to x value we have. So we have to find that. So p of x is equals to x square minus 1 it seems. So both the thing we will do. That one is first one we will take it for plus 1. P of plus 1. So 1 the whole square minus 1. So 1 square is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So p of 1 is 0. Similarly we have to find for p of minus 1 also, because here they have given 2x value. So p of minus 1 also we have to continue. So x value again minus 1 the whole square minus 1. So minus square, see this square, yesterday one student have asked, so why, how this minus will become plus? Because here we have square now, inside the bracket we have the minus. So this 2 is how to take for minus also, for 1 also. Okay, so minus square if we will do, we will get the plus. So 1 square is 1. So 1 minus 1 is how much? 0. So we know that we found 2 0 of the polynomial. So here you can write down 1 and minus 1 are the 0 of polynomial of p of x, that is x square minus 1. So here we have two zeros. One is 1, one more is minus 1. Understood? Anyone have a doubt? Anyone have a doubt? Anyone have a doubt? Okay, no doubt. Okay, if there is a network problem for you, you can check it afterwards also. Just you have to be here only if it is online. Fourth question we will move. The fourth question again here we have p of x is equals to same question. The similar question is the previous excel previous main I have solved. Here also there are two things we have to prove. Yes, one is x is equals to -1 and one more x value is equals to 2. The two things we have to substitute. So first one we will go for the -1, p of -1. I know when it will come minus, no, some of the student will find difficulty to solve. So -1 we have to substitute in the x value. So -1 plus 1 and -1 minus 2. So x value I have to substitute as -1 and both the side. So -1 plus 1 is how much? -1 plus 1 is how much? If we have -1 plus 1, how much it is? Okay, -1 and plus 1 is 0. So into -1 minus 2 is -3, because both are negative, so both we have to add, and both the negative symbols or negative symbol I have to put. 0 into anything, maybe any number, it is how much? 0 only. So p of -1 is 0. Similarly we will find for p of 2, because they have told the 2 also. -1 is finished, now we have to go for the 2 also. So here we have 2 plus 1 and here we have to take 2 minus 2. 2 plus 1 is how much? 3, and 2 minus 2 is how much? 0, because 2 get cancelled. 3 into 0 is 0. For 0 you don't have any negative or positive sign. Okay, for 0 we will not have any positive or negative sign. 0 is not negative or non-positive it is. So here we have both the answers are 0, 0. So you can say that -1 and 2 are 0 of the polynomial p of x, that is x plus 1 and x minus 2. X plus 1 and x minus 2. This is the fourth one answer. This is the fourth one answer. I think you don't have any doubt in this. If you have a doubt, you can ask me. It's actually very easy, yes? Actually easiest part what we have. Doubt if you have, you can ask me. Otherwise, I will move on to the fifth question. You have written? You have written? You have written? You have written this? Anyone have written? Anyone have written? Yes, written. Okay, done. So let us move with the next fifth one question. Yes. So let us move with the fifth question. Those who have not asked me, and you can refer this video how many times you want. You can refer this video. It will be uploaded in the YouTube. Then you can check it once again if you want. So p of x is equals to x square it seems, and here they have told you to find p of 0. The x value must be 0 it seems. So we have to put that x in place of x, we have to put as 0. So 0 the whole square. X the whole square is 0 the whole square. What is that 0 the whole square? What is 0 the whole square? How much? 0 the whole square? 0. Very good. 0 raised to anything may be 0 only. So p of 0 we got as 0. So here what is the answer? It is yes. So you have to write down 0 is the 0 of the polynomial. Mere p of x, that is equals to x square. Okay, that is the thing we have to see here. Understood? Any doubt you have? Any doubt? No. So let us move further. Yes. Okay, let us move for the sixth one. So if you got the final answer 0, then it is a 0 of the polynomial. Which value you will put? So p of x is equals to 1. So wait 1 second. The fifth one, no, sixth one. Okay, sixth one question. Okay, L it is, not 1, it is L. It is L. And it is also L. Okay, both are L now here. P of x is equals to L it is, L x plus m. Now we have to put the x value as what? Minus m by L it seems. We have to put the x value as what? Minus m by L it seems. Not 1 it is L. So you have to put the value x as what? Minus m by L. So P of x value what you have to take? Now you see the constant they have given to put. So they have to substitute that constant as m by L. Not any value. Here you have to substitute one more alphabet you have to substitute. The two alphabets there again, m and L. So a P of m minus m by L is equals to L I have to write down as it is, L not to change. We have to change this x. X have to change as what? Minus m by L plus m. So now you see minus we have. So that minus into here we have plus. So it will be minus. So L into m by L it seems plus m. So now you can see here this L and this L get cancelled. So remaining is what here? Minus m, minus we have minus m plus m. Minus m plus m is how much? 0. So P of minus m by L is equals to 0. So sixth one also what? We got the final answer as yes. So it is nothing but m minus m by L is the 0 of polynomial P of x, that is equals to that you have to write Lx plus m. Okay, so when you will get the final answer as 0, that will become the polynomial. So here they have not given any value for that. Instead of that they have given one more two alphabets they have given, and it is 0 of the polynomial, because in the equation or in the polynomial what they have given expression, polynomial what they have given, no, you can check it is in a form of L and m only. So you got the final answer is 0. Otherwise you might have not. Last two is left, and this one I have given for your homework. The seventh one I have given for your homework question, and you might have done. Several members have done, and several members you have not done. Okay, several members you have done, and several members you have not done. So the seventh one question we will solve now. Seventh and eighth, two are left, and that both the question we will solve now. So seventh one question, if we will compare it, just to check it once. The seventh one question they have given. Yes, so that I am solving that. Seventh one question, just to go through it. All of you concentrate now, don't do anything, just to concentrate here. P of x is equals to 3x square minus 1. Not difficult one, very easy. It's very easy. So here they have told you to find the x values 2. One is minus 1 by root 3 and second one is root 2 by root 3. The only two things you have to put. Okay, so all of you concentrate here. So x value first I will take it as minus 1 by root 3. So P of x value is nothing but minus 1 by root 3. Okay, so every x value I have to change now. 3 into x value is nothing but minus 1 by root 3 the whole square, because here we have square, minus 1. That minus 1 last what we have, I have written as it is. What I have, that I have written as it is. Next step is very easy again. 3 we have to write down as it is. 3 I have to write down as it is. So you know that inside what we have, that minus 1 by root 3. So minus 1 by root 3 the whole square we have, which means that this square what we have, no, that I have to take for this minus also, 1 also, and what, root 3 also. I have to take that square for what, all the terms what is there inside the bracket, all the terms I have to take that square. So what will happen? So see here, into we have 1 square, that minus 1 the whole square. What is minus 1 the whole square? Minus 1 the whole square. What is minus 1 the whole square? Minus 1 into minus 1. How much? Minus 1 into minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1, how much? Or you can write down one more step, you can extra write, you can write it down. Minus 1 the whole square, means square you can take it for numerator, and root 3 the whole square, this is also you can take it denominator. The square I have taken for numerator also, denominator also. Now it is clear for you, I think, because last exercise last lesson we have learned that a by b raised to m. What I have to do? A raised to m divided by b raised to m, means this m I have to take it for a also, I will take it for b also. Similarly, minus 1 raised to square and minus 3 raised to square, that I have to do, and lastly we have minus 1. So minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1, just now you have answered. So it is 3 into 1, and here you can see square and square root get cancelled. So down we have 1 by 3. Property we have learned, yes. So it is square and square root get cancelled. So it is what? 3. So minus 1. That minus 1 I am keeping as it is at the end. So now you can see here this 3 and this 3 get cancelled. So left is what here? Left one is 1 here. So see here, this is 1 and minus 1. So 1 minus 1 is how much? 0. 1 minus 1 is how much? 0. So you found the final answer, that is p of minus 1 by root 3 as 0. What difficulty you have in this? What difficulty you have in this? 1 second, I will come, only 1 minute I will come. Okay, so it is easy, yes? Any doubt you have? Any doubt you have? It is easy. It is easy, yes. Second one we have not only one, next one more we have, one more. That is, we have to put as a 2 by root 3 also, 2 by root 3 also for the same equation. We have to substitute as 2 by root 3 also. So we will substitute as 2 by root 3 for this one more question, the same one. That is nothing but p of x is equals to 3x square minus 1. Now we have to substitute as what? P of 2 by root 3 we have to substitute, and we have to find the final answer. So 3 as it is, in place of x we have to substitute 2 by root 3 the whole square minus 1. Then we have to put that 3 as it is into this square we have to do. This square what we have, that we have to take for numerator also, denominator also. 2 square divided by root 3 the whole square minus 1. So next calculation, 3 we have to keep it as it is. 2 square is how much? 4. Now you can see the square root and square get cancelled, remaining is here 3 minus 1. Now you can see this 3 and this 3 get cancelled, so remained is here is 4, and here it is remains is minus 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. So p of 2 root 3 is how much? 3. So in this, one final answer is 0, one more is not 0. See, that is the thing we have to check. Which one is 0 we have to check. One is 0 and one more is not 0. One more is 3. So which one is the correct answer? Means which is the 0 of the polynomial? So this is 1. That is 1 minus 1 by root 3 is the, so you can write it in the bracket, is the not 1. Minus 1 by root 3 is the 0 of the polynomial. Polynomial p of x, that p of x value is nothing but 3x square minus 1. Okay, only one number, that is the first number, p of x, x value is 1 minus 1 by root 3. So I think you don't have a doubt in this. You have a doubt in this? Well, if you have a doubt, ask me, otherwise we will continue. One more last question is there. Okay, any question you have? Okay, I will continue. The last question we have, that is 7th question. So 7th question is here. P of x is equal to 2x plus 1 where x is equals to half we have to write. So I will take the seventh question here. The seventh question you can check here, it is the seventh question. So the last question of this main, p of x is equals to, I will write on p of x is equals to 2x plus 1, 2x plus 1, then x value out substitute as half, so x is equals to half, so p of half is equals to, okay, it is the eighth, okay, eighth question, that is 2 into x value is half plus 1, so 2 to get cancelled, 1 we have, so 1 plus 1, so 1 plus 1 is how much? 1 plus 1 is 2. So p of half is nothing but 2. So it is not. So half is not 0 of the polynomial. P of x, that 2x plus 1. Finished. So this is all about the 0 of the polynomial, and which is not also we found. I think this still 8th question, we don't have any doubt. Here only 3 things are not possible, that is the second question is not a 0 of the polynomial. In the 7th question, second one, that is 2 by root 3, that is not the 0 of the polynomial. And next one is 1 by, that is p of x is equal to 2x plus 1, that's 8th one question is not a 0 of the polynomial. Leaving all others are 0 of the polynomial. Okay, if you don't have a doubt, then we have one more equation now. So there are 7 more questions we have. So 7 more questions. So wait for 1 second, wait for only 1 second, I will come 1 minute, okay, 1 minute, we wait here only. So I will bring that the question for you. So that is a question what we have, the last main question we have, that is very easy, linear equation we have, that is a easy question. So that one I have to write it. So for that only 1 minute I will come. Okay. Okay, the fourth main question is easy, that one you have to find the x value. I think you have the textbook, means you can check that question, otherwise you can refer here. Only 1 minute. Okay, I am not showing any, wait, okay, now it is, you can see, no, you can check, yes, you have done all, very good Sanjay, those who have done it all, very good, and those who are not done here, just you have to check here. So here they are asking to find the 0 of the polynomial, and it is very easy comparatively the third main. So today only we will complete this, within 5 minutes we can finish this out. So within 5 minutes we will do it. Again we have 5 more minutes to end this classes. Within 5 minutes 7 questions we have, within 5 minutes we can have. So it is there in your textbook, and that's the same question we have. And all are linear only, all are linear equation only, no problem at all. For that purpose only I have told that it is the easiest part what we have. So fourth main, they have told you to find the 0 of the polynomial in each of the following cases. The first case I will take. So what we have to do to find the 0 of the polynomial? First one is p of x is equals to x plus 5. So what we have to do, the first thing, how to find the 0 of the polynomial? What you have to do, the first step? I don't want the final answer. What is the first step we have to do? Yes, we have to equate them into is equals to 0. Means this equation what they have given, that one we have to equate it towards 0. I want the answer from each and every one. I want the answer from each and every one, not only 1 or 2. Okay, that is equals to 0. So next step is nothing but x plus 5 is equals to 0 we have to take. then nothing is nothing. What we have to do? This 5 we have to shift to the other side. Why have to shift to the other side? We want only x value. So x value is equals to 5, shift on that side, plus 5 will become minus 5. So this is your answer. Difficulty you have, whether it is a difficulty one. So you can lastly write down minus 5 is the 0 of the polynomial p of x, that is equals to x plus 5. Any difficulty you have in this? Only one thing you have to do, you have to shift. You have to shift to the right hand side. That is you have to equate it first 0, then you have to shift that much only. Okay. The second one, anyone those who have difficulty in the first one, you can ask me. Those who have difficulty in the first one, you can ask me. Anyone you have a difficulty? Okay, it is easy. Now we will move on to the second one. Okay, we will move on to the second one. That is also same method we have to do. Second one also we have to take. That is a p of x is equals to x minus 5. We have to consider that. I have to equate to what? 0. Then x minus 5 is equals to 0. Next step is we have to shift this minus 5 on the other side. So when you will shift that minus 5 on the other side, it will become 0 plus 5. 0 plus 5 is nothing but 5. Second one is what? 5 as your answer. 5 is the 0 of the polynomial. So I think this all the thing questions are very easy, no problem. The third one also same. The third one I will solve that. Third one you have to take. The third one, in that we have to take as what the question? P of x is equals to 2x plus 5. So 2x plus 5 we have to consider. When you will consider 2x plus 5? Third one we have 2x plus 5. So it have to equate it what? To 0. So 2x plus 5 is equals to 0. So 2x is equals to, we have to shift first this 5 first. We have to shift that 5 first. So when you shift that 5 on the other side, it will become minus 5. 0 minus 5 is minus 5. When you shift the next thing, next term means you have to shift that 2 also. So 2 into x it is. So x is equals to minus 5 by 2. So final answer is what? Minus 5 by 2. So you can write down here minus 5 by 2 is 0 of the polynomial. You can write down polynomial p of x, 2x plus 5 also you can write down. Here also I have not written. You can write down polynomial p of x, that is x minus 5 on this side. Any doubt? Third one is also finished. So you can move on to the fourth one. Fourth one is nothing but, okay, already found that answer I think. Fourth one answer. So fourth one is easiest. Again same, p of x is equals to 3x minus 2. Yes, then we have to equate this as 0. Then we equate it as 0. Then 3x minus 2 is equals to 0. Then shift that 2 first. The numbers we have to shift. The 3x is equals to minus 2. If you shift, it will become plus 2. Plus 2 plus 0 is plus 2 only. Then x you have to keep. This 3 also you have to shift. It will become into we have in between. So it will divide. So you can write down 2 by 3 is the 0 of the polynomial p of x is equals to 3x minus 2. So till fourth question it is the easiest question. From the fifth onwards it is also again easy, not difficult, but something is missing. So I will take the fifth one here. So fifth question onwards, little bit we have to think. That's all. Not a difficult. I am not saying it is difficult. It is easy, but we have to think. think it correctly. The fifth one you have to take the similar. P of x is equals to 3x is equals to 0. We have to take it as 0, equate it to 0. So next step is we have to write down that number. Now we have to shift this 3 on the other side. So when you shift that other side, it is our into here. So it will be 0 by 3. What is 0 by 3? 0 by 3 is 0. So 0 is the 0 of the polynomial. 0 of the polynomial P of x, that is equals to 3x. Okay, next question. Next question is sixth one. This is fifth one. Now sixth one. So P of x is equals to A of x. So here they have told that A value is not equals to 0. Remember, A value is not equals to 0 it seems. So what is the sixth one answer? Again the same thing, that we have to equate what? 0 first we have to equate. So Ax is equals to 0. So x value is equals to 0. A have to shift because A is constant here. A can be any constant. Yes, A can be any constant. So A is a constant. So you have to divide by the no anything is 0. Yes, x is equal to 0 by A. 0 by A is nothing but what? 0. So they have already given that A value is not 0 it seems. So A value is not 0. So we can't take that 0 by 0. So A is equal to, sorry, x is equal to 0. So here also what? 0 is the 0 of the polynomial. Polynomial P of x Ax. Lastly, last one question, and all of you concentrate. No, why I have to concentrate? Because again they have not mentioned here the value as they have done previously. They have not given any value for you. P of x is equals to Cx plus D it seems, and C value is not equals to 0 it seems. Okay, so how to find this? No need to write down the verification. If I will ask the verification to find, then only I have to write down verification, otherwise no need. So we have to equate it to what? 0. So when you will equate it to 0, so next step is what? Cx plus D is equals to 0. First here C and D are constant, so D you have to shift on the other side. So Cx is equals to minus D. Okay, then we have to shift the C on the other side, then it is nothing but divided by C. So x value is nothing but minus D by C. So here I have to write down minus D by C is the 0 of the polynomial P of x, that is equals to Cx plus D. So this conclude your final answer. That is 2.2 is finished. So and it is very easy questions. What you have the 2.2 exercise, the whole exercise is very easy. So next one 2.3, that I will teach you tomorrow, but we have one good news, 2.3 you don't have for your syllabus. So 2.3 is not there for your syllabus, so no need to teach that 2.3 for you. So directly we will jump into the next one. Reminder theorem you don't have it seems. So we will directly jump into 2.5 tomorrow. Okay, means next question it seems. Okay, till here it is I think you understood the topic what we have taught today. So tomorrow you have the class at the same time, 6:30 to 7:30. So those who have a doubt ask me, and some of you are not answering for the question. For them also you have to active. If you are not active, it is not possible for me to teach. Today the whole exercise I have completed, and this exercise is very easy, don't worry. Yes, 30% of reduction that I have doing that video, don't worry. Once I have to repeat the last one. Okay, Veda. So last one you see here, P of x. Here P of x we have, no? P of x we have. That P of x is here Cx plus D it seems, that I have to equate to 0, that equal to 0 we have to take, and C of x plus D is equal to 0 I have taken. The same thing what I have there above, that only I have written down. Now we have to shift this plus d on the other side. When we shift the plus d on the other side, it will become minus d. Here we have 0. 0 minus d is minus d only. So x value is equals to, so if it is possible I will write it down once again. So here you see that question is what? Okay, p of x is equals to cx plus d. We have to equate it towards 0. Then we have to write down once again the d I have to shift on the other side. So c of x is equals to 0 minus d. 0 minus d is plus here, so it will become minus. So 0 minus d is minus d, that is c of x. Now I have to substitute this c on the other side. So when you shift that c on the other side, it is nothing but minus d divided by c. That c will go to the denominator. So Veda, this is the final answer. Doubt you have? If you have doubt, you can ask me. Otherwise, thank you everyone. Tomorrow we will meet, and listen, I have given a homework for you. The 2 questions I have given the homework. The first main 2 questions. First main, no, second main, the 2 questions I have given the homework. Do that, and thank you one and all. And I am doing the video on the syllabus. Don't worry. Okay, syllabus I am doing. Don't worry. I will upload it tomorrow because I am doing continuously. So don't worry about that. And all of you like my video. Thank you, Sanidhi. Don't go outside. Be safe and take care. Okay. So all of you like my video. Bye everyone. Good night.